Hello friends, this is Abhinav. This is a short video to our trip for Bintang Island, which is in Indonesia. It is just 1 hour boat ride away from Singapore. We took a ferry from Singapore, obviously, and this place where we were staying is called Bintan Lagoon Resort. Beautiful place, beautiful scenic location. Just if you're wondering, the footages are taken by DJI drone. Yeah, the good thing is that they have favorable drone laws, so you can fly around and take some really awesome shots. We stayed over here for 2 nights, and given that it is Chinese New Year going on right now, and we made a last minute booking. It was very fairly priced. It was around $400 for 2 night in a resort like this with breakfast and everything included. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's good. Uh, this place is also very famous for its golf grounds. They have so many golf grounds. They have awesome archery things. You can do archery. You can do a lot of other things. And just so you know, this is not a paid review, so I am not getting anything paid out of it, right? So just my own opinion. Yeah, that's me saying hi. Um, it's just wonderful. So I wanted, if you get any of you guys wanna have a visit there, I would highly recommend you guys just go and check it out. There are a couple of resorts there. I think there's a banyan tree also there. That's Kai, my wife, saying hello. That was the room we were staying in. It was a beautiful deluxe sea view room, I think. That's what they called it. The staff is very friendly, service is nice. So yeah, all good things. So I will just let you guys enjoy the video for some time. Nothing much to add from. I didn't really learn something new or something like that. It was just a beautiful place. We enjoyed our time, and we took some good footages. Do let me know how you guys feel about it.